beauty travelers, I'm excited to show you a very easy beauty tutorial using Nomad Cosmetics New York City palette. As you know, New York City is all about getting your to-do list done and going. So today we're going to show you a very fast, easy makeup tutorial and how you can change it from day to night. So I'm first going to use Rebels and Outlaws Sacred Ceremony Magic Hands. I love this product because it cleanses my hands while inspiring my energy. I use it before all of my clients. I'm then going to use the Clinique Moisture Surge Moisturizer. I love because it hydrates my skin and I really work it into every part of my face. I love that my skin is hydrated and moisturized for good makeup. And then I'm following with All About Eyes with Clinique. I will apply it under my under eye and spread it with my fingers gently. The next step is using Lolly's Plum Elixir. This is my new obsession in the world. It is amazing for the skin, 100% organic. It's an amazing product. I love to work it onto my skin. It just gives me another layer of hydration and it's great under makeup. Works as a primer but also helps with frizzy in the hair. And of course, we're here because we are doing a makeup look with Nomad Cosmetics using their New York City inspired palette. This is the awesome palette. First step is using their primer. I'm going to apply it onto my lid with my ring finger because it is a little bit of a delicate area. Remember, primer helps the eyeshadow stay on. They use this product because they know that we're running around like mad women in New York City and they want to make sure our eyeshadow and makeup stays in place. So I'm just pressing it onto my lid gently. And there you go. I am following with their Concrete Jungle eyeshadow. And for me, if you guys watch my videos, it is all about layering. A good makeup is makeup that lasts all day. I always get the conversations from my clients that said I couldn't take off my makeup, and that's because I work in layers. Using a primer definitely helps as well, but I'm going in and layering the Concrete Jungle to make sure it lasts all day. Now I'm following up with High Heeled Army eyeliner pencil from Nomad Cosmetics. I like to outline my eye shape just so I can make my eyes appear bigger. I then am going to go in with the NYY Blue, that's part of the Nomad Cosmetics palette. And I'm just going to smudge the eyeliner with the blue really close to my lash line. I like to do this because this again makes sure that the product is going to stay in place. And then I can build the way up into my crease. Again, all to make my eyes appear bigger. And then I'm going to take the Nomad palette eyeliner and I'm just going to get really close to my lash line again to thicken the lashes. A little bit of mascara goes a far way. Today I'm going to skip the lashes. I'm going to go for my natural lash. And then I'm following with my foundation. If you can see, I like to pound my foundation into my skin because I want it to look like skin. I use a dewy finish. I don't use anything too heavy. And then I'm going in with the contour that is called the Jay-Z line. It works as a bronzer. I like to use it in all the areas where the sun touches. The contour underneath the chin to make me appear slimmer. And then I'm taking the Vanguard blush and just applying it right onto the apples of my cheeks. Finishing off with the nude from Clinique. And that's the makeup look. I like to keep it pretty simple. Again, I want to make sure the makeup lasts all day. The blue opens up my eyes. Nothing too crazy, yet beautiful. Now, just using the Nomad Cosmetics eyeliner on the lower lash line, I can easily take this look from day to night. What do you guys think? In New York, it's all about having accessories and changing the hair look for their final last look. I hope you guys like this video and are inspired to try a New York City beauty look. Thanks, Nomad Cosmetics.